Ever wondered how to make your own slime at home? Well, ponder no more. Welcome to another exciting episode where we're going to unlock the mystery of creating incredible slime. It's super fun, incredibly easy, and the chances are you have all the ingredients right there in your house. So buckle up and let's dive right into this gooey adventure. First off, you'll need some basic materials. Grab some white school glue and an activator. Today, we're using Borax solution, which you can find in the laundry aisle of most grocery stores. Remember, be careful with Borax as it can be a bit irritable to skin and eyes, so make sure an adult is around to supervise. You'll also need a bowl for mixing, a spoon for stirring, and if you want to jazz up your slime, some food coloring and glitter. Start off by pouring some glue into your bowl. A cup of white school glue should do the trick, but feel free to adjust the amount to suit your slime ambitions. Now, if you're a fan of color, this is the moment to let your creativity shine. Add a few drops of food coloring, mix and match colors to create your own unique hue. Stir it well to ensure an even blend. Next up, it's time for the activator. Mix a teaspoon of borax with a cup of warm water in a separate bowl. Stir until the borax completely dissolves. Remember, keep your face clear of the mixture to avoid any irritation. Ready for some magic? Slowly add the borax solution to the glue. 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring constantly. You'll see the glue mixture start to thicken and lose its stickiness. It's like a science experiment right in your kitchen. When the slime gets tough to stir, it's time to get your hands dirty. Pour the mixture onto a table and knead it with your hands. It might be a bit sticky at first, but keep kneading. The borax solution will continue to activate, making the slime less sticky and more fun to play with. If your slime still feels too sticky, don't fret. Just add a little more borax solution, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it's just right. And there you have it, your very own homemade slime. Isn't it amazing? You can squish it, stretch it, and mold it into all sorts of shapes. If you've added glitter, watch as your slime sparkles and shines beautifully. That's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this fun and easy slime making adventure. If you did, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting crafts and activities. Until next time, keep having fun with your slime.